Hey guys, this is Tharmi. Without further delay, let's jump into the story. Good experience makes good soul. It was a rainy season. It was a natural day surrounded by dark clouds. That day, I met my friend after many days. As we met after a long time, we shared many things with each other. No time seems to have passed. We thought it was evening because of the dark clouds. But it was past 10 p.m. It was so late. We should go home immediately from there. It was raining, so we decided to take an auto and go home. We reached the main road. It was raining heavily when we arrived. No auto was ready to pick us up due to heavy rain. When we were very scared, only one auto saw us. Immediately, we told the auto driver about our destination. He said okay without any extra words. Heavy rain and cold wind blew. So we asked the auto driver to stop the auto at a tea shop for hot tea. He stopped the auto at a tea shop. We invited the auto driver to come for tea. But he refused, we thinking that he also came in this cold. So we said, "We will give money for your tea, don't worry. Come and have tea with us." But he refused again. My friend was very worried. Immediately, she looked at him and asked, "Don't you like to eat and drink tea in the shops?" He immediately replied, "Nothing like that." We asked many times. He refused to drink anything. Then we did not force him again. After that, we started the auto from the tea shop and returned home. After reached home, I was confused why he didn't have tea at the tea shop. So I asked him, "Why didn't you have tea?" He said, "My daughter died this morning. I don't want to spend my money on food or tea. That's why I don't drink tea." I was shocked to hear this. I immediately gave him the money from me and told him to keep this for expenses. He refused it. He said that I will work and conduct the funeral for my daughter. Then he immediately left the place. Okay, buddies, you got good lesson from my story. Also keep in mind of the story's moral. We will see with our next story. Don't forget to subscribe and click the bell icon to get my new stories notifications. Have a good day.